Welcome back to Java's tutorial. Today, I'm privileged to talk about something that's about still about an application letter or an application form. So I'm going to go to let you through it. Some of professional. I think you'll agree with me at the end of this, and it's basically about the inputs that are sent. Yeah, some professionalism have been applied in styling, and we'll prove it as I try to finish. Okay, so inside my HTML file, I've got some. Those are not new, but there are still some emphasis that's to be placed on. Okay, so I'm having here a full application form where you can enter your first name, last name, email, then of course it's password. You can specify your account whether it's personal or business. At the same time, you can upload a picture. You can indicate your actual age because it has some restrictions. A minimum of 13 years and a maximum of 120 years. Yeah, and how did you hear from us? Whether it's news, channel, forum, or other way. And you can also describe your bio to get, this one increases your chances of securing such a job. And of course, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. And of course, it's about to submit it. So there's much about this HTML file. Okay, so I navigate to the CSS file, cascading style sheets. Okay, so inside these, of course, there are some things. They are not very new, but we need to talk about them. Let me be specific about this. Is about coloring of these. These colors are they have followed the hex code format. Okay, so if you check through my previous tutorials, you'll find out how I try to explain it. Then to this, it's relative to the root of this form. Yeah, so it's relative. So if one is equals to that 100% of that, that means two is two times the actual one, the parent one. Then of course about this, not very new, not very new at all. It's all about making the stylish more professional. Something I wanted to talk about was yeah, of course, it's all about what? Let me see. Let me see. Okay, no problem. I'll try to explain it to the user interface of that website. So let's open our website. So I'm going to open the live server. Let's open the live server. Okay. So let me try to make it visible to anyone. So the about registration form. You can also imagine that you realize that I've now been using the field set element, but you can realize that they are not shown up because I used this display to none, so you cannot see the borders. So try to fix in my details for this case. My email is of yeah, and the condition for creating a new password for this case, it should be a letter from A to Z, but only numbers from 0 to 5. And just have a minimum of 8. Um, personal. And of course, you can upload a file. Take the screenshot. As you can specify into one selection, let's say from YouTube channel. Okay, what can we say about this recent extension? So basically, full grammar, or the mastered JavaScript. Next, Arabs. So then you agree to the terms and conditions, and of course you have to submit. I have not talked about this submit because I just wanted to show you can make it more thematic, more professional thing about this. Hope you got interested and kindly follow back for more. Can be grateful and you will feel that you want me to add on something to improve on. Can be necessary to inform me. It will be very helpful to me to grow my courage and of course to improve on my skills. Thank you and be blessed.